Hey, if you're a site builder who wants to create unique visual effects or you've got a sophisticated functional idea for your site, know that the AI capabilities in the Widget Builder can help you bring those ideas to life. Let me take you through a quick demo to show you how to build custom widgets using AI. For this demonstration, I found a suggestion from someone who is looking for an easy way to highlight text within paragraphs, and I decided to make a widget based on that idea. So here's the final result so you can see what I built. Now let me show you how I got there. First, I prepared a detailed prompt to tell the builder exactly what I was looking for. When writing your own prompts, make sure to be very specific. Tell the builder exactly what you're wanting your custom widget to do and how you want it to look. Next, I pasted that prompt into the builder and let it think. It's actually evaluating what I asked for in the prompt and creating the HTML, CSS, and any JavaScript needed to create the widget I described. It'll also try to anticipate properties your site builders might want to change in the design and content panels. When it's done, you can preview it right away and see if it does what you want it to. Here, the widget allows the user to add text in the content panel or directly onto the canvas. Then a user can select the text they want to have highlighted and choose a highlight style and color. When they've decided they're happy with their selections, they can apply the highlight or underline and use that text like they would any other text block. Another thing that's great about the builder, you can use this prompting approach to make as many edits as you want. So if you have knowledge of code, you can certainly go in and make changes to the code directly, but you don't have to. Just prompt the AI to do the work for you. So in my case, I want the default highlight colors to be darker. Let's go ahead and ask the AI to do that. Also note that the builder has built-in version control you can use. We encourage you to publish a new version and write a note describing the changes you made every time you make major changes. This is helpful in case you need to revert to an older version later. Okay, so now you can see that my default highlight colors are now darker and that the AI handled my request. So when you're building your own widgets, expect to do the same thing I just did. Start with a prompt, test the results, then keep prompting the tool to make the changes you want to see. That's what I did to get my final version of this widget. I asked the AI to make several changes and save versions for each major edit as I went. You can see how users of my widget can now change the text and highlight styles from the content panel or directly in the canvas. We've got a functional opacity slider if someone wants to control that aspect of their styles. And now, if we switch to the design panel, you can see the text output still responds to the standard text properties you'd expect to find in any other text-based widget. I can change the alignment and the font, as well as other properties like the box's corners, background colors, or dimensions. Also know that these widgets are created at the account level. This is important because any widgets you create with the builder are not tied to a single site. So you and your team members can use your widget on any site at any time. And if you need to make changes to the widget, you can choose to deploy changes to all instances of that widget that are in use. Again, the capabilities in the builder are really powerful and can be used to create lots of different types of widgets. So you could create unique visual effects or even more sophisticated solutions. So if you haven't already tried building widgets with AI, now's your chance. Go ahead and give it a try.